Alright everybody, check it out. I'm going to be showing you how to clean your N95 mask today so you can be nice and safe out there. So I'm just going to show this to you real quick. It's just a quick, easy video. All I'm going to do is steam it. Yeah, so I'm just going to steam it. If you get any N95 masks, which are probably impossible to get right now anywhere, I had this one. Well, I didn't have it. I got lucky. My dad actually gave it to me. So he only had a couple, but he turned me on to this one. But the thing is, you can only do this about 20 times, guys. So I got it nice and hot, ready steaming. But also I wanted to let you know, you can also do your cloth masks, you know, the homemade ones, the DIY ones. You can also use that. That's not a big deal. That's going to kill all germs and bacteria off of that also. Just throw it in there, let it steam for about 20 seconds or so on each side. That's what I did. I don't even think you need to do each side because the steam's going right through it, but I just wanted it for peace of mind, you know. But that's it. That's how you clean your mask, guys. It's really simple. Very, very simple. Just steam it and it'll be good to go. Like I said, the N95, you could do that about 20 times. This one here, you could do it probably endless times. Alright, so there it is, nice and fresh, nice and clean. I'm going to do the N95, throw that on there real quick. Miss. But yeah guys, just set it in there like that and just let it steam for, like I said, at least 20 seconds. And then it'll kill all that germ, all the bacteria, everything. Steam it out of there and you'll have a nice fresh mask for the next day. Alright, so the mask has been steaming for a little bit, but that's probably going to be it for this quick video, guys. I just wanted to show you how to be safe out there. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.